What if the most unforgettable meals aren't found in fancy restaurants or glossy supermarket aisles, but in a humble Amish kitchen, untouched by modern machines and preservatives? While most of us rely on store-bought shortcuts, the Amish have preserved a treasure trove of cooking secrets passed down through generations. Their methods focus on fresh ingredients, zero waste, and slow, meaningful preparation. From buttermilk magic to cast iron mastery, these traditions nourish the body and soul in ways modern foods simply can't. Stay with us as we reveal some timeless Amish cooking practices that supermarkets hope you never discover. And don't forget to subscribe for more hidden traditions, real recipes, and old-school wisdom. Buttermilk is a staple in Amish kitchens, treasured for its ability to transform everyday recipes into rich, tangy, and tender delights. Unlike store-bought shortcuts, Amish cooks use buttermilk to naturally enhance the flavor and texture of baked goods, such as pancakes, biscuits, and cornbread. Its acidity reacts with baking soda to create a light, fluffy texture without the need for additives. Whether in a stack of flapjacks or a warm loaf of bread, this old-school ingredient adds depth and authenticity that processed products just can't replicate. Big supermarkets rarely emphasize their power, but Amish tradition proves that buttermilk can be a game changer. A splash of it in your kitchen could be the difference between an average meal and an unforgettable one. In an Amish kitchen, nothing goes to waste, including stale bread. Instead of tossing it out like many do today, the Amish turn it into delicious bread puddings, savory stuffing, or homemade breadcrumbs. These resourceful uses honor a zero-waste lifestyle that's long been forgotten in our convenience-driven world. With a few simple ingredients like eggs, milk, sugar, and spices, stale bread becomes a comforting dessert or a hearty meal base. Even breadcrumbs are toasted and stored to top casseroles or coat-fried foods. While supermarkets promote pre-packaged breadcrumbs and ready-made desserts, the Amish prove that yesterday's bread can be tomorrow's treasure. It's old-school frugality with timeless flavor, and something modern kitchens can learn from. Amish meals are rarely rushed. Their secret? Cooking slow and low. Simmering stews, roasts, and soups over long periods allows flavors to deepen and blend naturally. This patient method doesn't just tenderize meat, it enriches every bite with warmth and comfort. Using seasonal vegetables, homegrown herbs, and homemade broths, Amish cooks prepare meals like beef stew or vegetable chowder that are hearty, healthy, and deeply flavorful. There are no instant pots or microwave shortcuts here, just cast iron, a wood stove, and time. Supermarkets might tempt you with ready-made meals, but the Amish show that the best dishes come from patience, tradition, and a little love. If you want a taste that lingers, go slow like the Amish. In Amish kitchens, rendered fats like lard and tallow are prized cooking essentials. Instead of processed oils, the Amish melt beef sweets slowly to create a pure, flavorful fat used for frying, baking, and roasting. This old-school practice adds unmatched richness to dishes, from flaky pie crusts to crispy fried potatoes. Unlike supermarket cooking oils, which are often heavily refined, Amish rendered fat contains no additives or artificial preservatives. It's also a form of waste reduction, ensuring every part of an animal is used. Supermarkets rarely promote this healthy fat alternative because it doesn't come pre-packaged in flashy branding. But the Amish know what modern science is just rediscovering. Traditional fats, used properly, are flavorful and far healthier than we think. One of the Amish kitchen's best-kept secrets is how they reinvent leftovers into new, delicious meals. Roasted meats are transformed into pot pies, soups, or casseroles. Extra vegetables go into hearty stews or are mashed and fried into patties. Even leftover pasta is reborn as a baked casserole. This practice not only reduces waste but also saves time and money. Unlike modern habits of tossing food at the first sign of staleness, the Amish see leftovers as opportunities. Every dish stretches ingredients to the fullest, reflecting a deep respect for resources. Big supermarkets push overconsumption and convenience, while Amish kitchens rely on creativity and sustainability, a mindset every home can benefit from. The heart of Amish cooking lies in fresh, simple ingredients, often grown right outside their doorsteps. No processed sauces, flavor enhancers, or artificial preservatives. Just garden-picked vegetables, farm-fresh eggs, homemade butter, and herbs straight from the soil. This farm-to-table philosophy ensures meals packed with nutrients and natural flavor. Supermarkets, on the other hand, push pre-cut produce, chemically treated meats, and long shelf-life goods. The Amish prove that the best meals don't come from flashy packaging but from honest ingredients. A simple stir-fry of tomatoes, eggs, and onions seasoned with salt and herbs can outshine any store-bought microwave dinner. True flavor is grown, not manufactured, and that's a secret supermarkets don't want you to know. When it comes to making the flakiest, most tender pie crusts, the Amish choose lard over butter. While butter adds richness, lard gives crusts a light, crispy texture that melts in your mouth. This age-old secret, passed down through generations, results in pies that hold their shape and taste even better the next day. Lard is shelf-stable, making it a reliable staple in any Amish kitchen. Supermarket brands often replace it with shortening or margarine, fats that lack lard's unique properties. The truth is, you can't buy a crust like this off the shelf. It must be made from scratch with care. Amish bakers know what big companies ignore. Lard is the secret weapon behind every unforgettable pie. Amish cooks rely on hands and heritage tools, not gadgets, to create wholesome meals. Hand kneading dough develops better texture and connects the cook with the process. It's not just baking, it's bonding. Cast iron cookware, passed down through generations, retains heat evenly and develops a seasoned surface that no modern pan can match. Whether it's baking cornbread, frying chicken, or simmering stew, cast iron brings flavor that Teflon never will. These tools may lack digital buttons, but they deliver soul-satisfying results. While supermarkets push gadgets and disposable tools, the Amish prove that true cooking craftsmanship comes from skilled hands and timeless tradition, not technology. Before modern refrigeration, Amish families perfected the art of using root cellars to store vegetables, fruits, and preserves for months. Without electricity, these cool, naturally insulated spaces keep potatoes, apples, carrots, onions, and canned goods fresh long into the winter. Instead of relying on energy-hungry fridges and freezers, Amish homes are built with underground storage rooms lined with stone or earth walls that maintain a consistent cool temperature year-round. While supermarkets market fresh produce flown in from faraway places, the Amish simply walk down to the root cellar to fetch homegrown vegetables. It's low-cost, eco-friendly, and remarkably effective. No barcodes or plastic needed. Instead of buying boxed or canned broths packed with sodium and preservatives, the Amish create their nutrient-rich stock from kitchen scraps. Bones from roasted chicken or beef, onion peels, celery ends, carrot tops, and garden herbs all go into a slow-simmered pot that extracts deep flavor and valuable nutrients. These broths become the base for soups, gravies, and sauces that nourish the body and warm the soul. No artificial flavor enhancers needed. Supermarkets may profit from shelf-stable broths, but the Amish quietly make something better, right at home, for almost no cost. It's a forgotten secret that adds richness to every meal without opening a single can. That's a wrap on our video. In a world driven by speed and convenience, the Amish offer a powerful reminder. Food made with intention, simplicity, and tradition always wins. Their slow-cooked meals, fresh ingredients, and no-waste mindset aren't just delicious, they're deeply sustainable. These old-school secrets aren't outdated, they're timeless, and perhaps even revolutionary in today's processed world. So, which Amish secret are you most excited to try in your kitchen? Let us know in the comments. If you found the video inspiring, eye-opening, or just plain mouth-watering, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more real recipes, forgotten traditions, and old-school wisdom worth rediscovering.